Hi, and welcome from the School of Education at Baker University. My name is Linda Heinen. I'm the Director of Graduate Education Enrollment, and I'm here with Dr. Regina A., Coordinator and Faculty Member for our Instructional Design and Performance Technology programs. We have a brand new program, a Master of Science in Instructional Design and Performance Technology, that we're here today to share more information with you about and answer your questions. So please send in your live questions to us and we'll answer those. So first of all, Dr. A, would you please just give us a brief description of the program, kind of tell our audience a little bit about what this program's about?
Sure. Well, the Master's in Instructional Design and Performance Technology is a really interesting area to study. It combines human performance technology with instructional design. So people who go into this career field would be the type of people who analyze programs to look for gaps or barriers in the outcomes, and then design educational and instructional programs to overcome those gaps and help people overcome the barriers.
Great, fantastic. So can you talk a little more about what the performance technology means?
Sure. So every company that employs people wants to get the best outcome from those employees. They want to get the best outcomes from their work. And everyone from American Airlines to Walt Disney has training programs. But what you have to do is you have to assess and evaluate those programs to see if you're really meeting your outcomes and if your training does what it needs to do to make your personnel as productive as they can be. And so that's the human performance technology part of it. How can we analyze and look at human performance and use technology, education, and training to improve that?
Great, fantastic. Do we have questions?
Yes, so first question is from Carol, and she asks what kind of technology background is required to do well in this program, and would a PC or Mac be better for the assignments or projects in the courses?
So you don't really need a lot of technology skills for a program like this. You need basic computer skills. You need to be able to download files and work with programs and things, but you don't really have to be someone who does coding or any of that kind of thing. We teach you about a lot of the things that you need to know, like multimedia, games and simulations, and other learning designs. So your technology background is really minimal as long as you can use your computer relatively effectively. And you could use either a Mac or a PC. Personally, I prefer a PC, but there are a lot of Mac users out there.
And I kind of like Macs, so.
All right, Brianna is wondering who is the program designed for and what career opportunities would go along with completion of this program?
Good question.
So this program is designed for working adults. It's 7-week classes, and it's the cohort model. So once you meet the people in your class, you'll be with those folks in all the classes moving forward. It's taught completely online, so it's asynchronous. You're not bound by time and place, so that works really well for an adult learner's busy schedule. And your career options, if you completed a program like this, are really broad. So healthcare, government, the military, education institutions, lots of people hire instructional designers. There are probably 150,000 people working in instructional design nationwide. And our program combines the human performance technology piece to help companies enhance those training programs. So there would be lots of options.
Great. And I know in pre-K-12 education that a lot of schools are starting to be a lot more innovative with adding online learning to their current curriculum, so they may be enhancing classroom curriculum with that, or doing recovery credits, or virtual schools, a lot of different opportunities there for them in pre-K-12 as well. So.
Great. Tara wants to know if the program is offered online.
Absolutely, 100% online. So it's a great format, as Dr. A said. It helps with your busy schedule. It helps kind of expand that to people in different time zones. So if you don't live here in Kansas where we're at, you can still get online whenever you choose to.
And I think other potential applicants would like to know about our deal for anyone applying to the School of Education in May.
Oh, great question. So during the month of May, we are appreciating all educators of all types. So whether you're a trainer in corporate, or you're working in the public schools or higher education, any of our School of Education graduate, master's, and doctoral programs, if you apply during May, we'll waive your application fee. So you can save that application fee by applying now, It's a great time to get on and do that. You can go directly to our website to do that, bakeru.edu. So.
And when does the Master of Science in IDPT start?
September is our first cohort start date, so we're excited about that. September 9th. We are taking applications now, and I'm actually the person that you would reach out to collect more information about the program. I'd be happy to talk to you more. You can reach me at my email, which is lheinen@bakeru.edu, or my phone number, 913-344-6037. So any of those methods will work. And we're excited to get started. I do have a couple other questions for you, Dr. A. So you've talked a little bit about what students will learn in this program. What is it that's more unique about our program than others out there?
So Baker's program is unique because we not only have the instructional design piece where you learn cognition and learning theory and the principles of instructional design and how to build those programs, but we also have the human performance technology side. And so there are a lot of programs that have one or the other, but our program combines those, and that's a really powerful approach to this career field.
Great. And is there a thesis for this program?
There is not. So instructional designers often work in projects more than a thesis. And so this program actually has a project at the end that you present either in person or through technology as your final assignment.
Great. All right. Do we have any other questions at this time?
None at this time.
Okay. Well, we thank you very much for joining us. And if you do have other questions, please feel free to go ahead and post them to our site here with this video, or reach out to me directly, and I'm happy to get back to you and answer any questions that you have. So thank you for your time.